Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson here today to show you this 2020 320 Sundancer from Sea Ray. This particular boat's been out for a few years but is growing in popularity. Very spacious boat. A lot of different options here. You've got the nice seating back here, but we also can lift this up and open it up all this way so it kind of opens up into the cockpit area. So it's kind of nice. We've got a nice grill up here. You've got your refrigerator. There is a garbage can. And then this beautiful teak table that can be pulled out and put away underneath as well. But wraparound seating here. The seat moves forward and aft, so you can sit forward or back if you'd like. This is equipped with the twin Mercury 6.2 300 horsepower engines that do come with the joystick control. So maneuvering the boat in small spots is super easy, sideways, forward, backward. We got the dual SIM-rads on here as well. Fusion stereo with all the speakers. Up here we got the nice sunroof that opens and closes depending on the time of day. And then also attached to the back as an option is a sunshade as well. So that does go out. Down in the cabin, nice spacious area. Do have a spot for a table if you'd like. Some nice seating all the way around. Another refrigerator down here, microwave, nice head, some storage areas, and then down underneath is a place to sleep, obviously. And you can have two twins, or you can have individuals as well, and they do come together. So very nice space. And like I said, this is the nice head that's in here. It is a wet head as well. Now we can go up to the bow, and this is what really makes this particular cruiser so different than everybody else's. Sea Ray did a great job and actually made space here for the bow of the boat. So you can have conversation in the cockpit or down in down underneath if you'd like. But nice 3 spots, armrests, beautiful spot to sit while you're cruising or just hanging out in the sun. This boat's right here on our show floor in Rogers, Minnesota. Come on down, take a look, and as always, click the like button and click to subscribe.